Hey guys, this is Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, it's Sunday afternoon in Heath, Texas. We're not at the farm this afternoon. The weather is miserable. It's cold fronts blowing through. It's like right at 33, 34 degrees, about a 20 or 30 mile an hour north wind. Just hideous outside. Anyway, thought this was a good opportunity. I want to tell you guys a little bit about one of the very first projects we kind of got into at the farm, which is our pecan orchard. But that was before we started our YouTube channel, and so we have virtually no videos on the pecan orchard. We have a lot of photos, so we're going to start to put this thing together. I mean, these things have been planted 4 years, 5 years now. So anyway, so we put together a little video clip, and check it out. It's a couple of things about it. Before we decided to get started, we did a lot of research. We had a good family member that helped us out a lot, but we also contacted two of the primary experts on the topic, and that's Oklahoma State University is outstanding when it comes to their research in pecans. Texas A&M University is also incredible as far as the amount of information and knowledge they have. They both have great programs. And then there was a third source that we came across, the Noble Foundation. Dr. Charles Rolla up there is an expert in pecans, and he helped us tremendously, especially on how to prune them, just a lot of things to look for. So if you ever decide to plant a pecan orchard, I definitely recommend you check out those three sources: Oklahoma State University, Texas A&M University, and also the Noble Foundation, Dr. Charles Rolla. Anyway, take a look at these clips, see what you think. We're going to start out with us putting in a water well, burning off the pasture, installing drip irrigation. There was a lot that went into it, and first 3 years, a lot of heavy pruning. Don't let anybody tell you just plant a tree and you sit back and you enjoy the pecans. There's a lot that goes into trying to have a small commercial hobby orchard. So anyway, check it out, see what you think, and at the end, we'll give you some more information. Thank you. All right, hey, hope you enjoyed those pictures of the pecans. This summer, going into 2019, we're going to try to do a lot more actual videoing of the pecan orchard, what these guys look like. We'll start off here shortly with some pruning of some videos, pruning of trees coming up. Then we'll get into fertilizing the pecans, and then keeping the lanes cleared, doing the sprinkler checks, everything that gets ready for the summer here, and then also spraying zinc on the trees. You'll get a good snapshot here in the upcoming months of what goes into a pecan orchard. Hey, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the little bell icon next to it. We're trying to grow our YouTube channel and appreciate anybody that subscribes to us. So you can also check us out on Instagram, Facebook, or heritagefarmstexas.com. Hey, thanks a lot. You guys have a great day.